Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So, as far as you know me, I'm an English learner. I do upload multiple videos on YouTube basically, and this is my channel. If you want to basically learn English language, so you can subscribe it. And if you want to basically see a beginner like how he speak and throughout his journey, so you can watch my multiple videos. There are lot of right you can build a lot of confidence by seeing that and start speaking from today onwards because the more you are going to start speaking, the better chances of you are speaking in very less amount of time. So today I've just chosen one picture for speaking in this video, and I'll going to basically collect some sort of thoughts why this kind of whole picture, and going to basically try to at least speak more than 2 minutes because that is how basically you are going to build a lot of content like on your speaking, and that is how you can build a story as well. So this is a very from the scratch if you basically started speaking. So let's jump into this video. So as I'm checking, this is a very a great picture. As I'm checking, there is lot of child and adult as well. They are doing a good thing, and so like this picture is all about like greenery, and there is one in the front. There is child who is playing with the cat, and there is one cat beside from there. There is who is like. Sitting in the middle of the street, and there is like in front of like cat there is one child who is playing with the kite, and he's like running a different way from the kite and just trying to play with it. And there is one person in the middle of this picture, which is this one who is like riding the bicycle, and I think there is probably going to be class in between running in the child and like like who is cycling if he didn't like push the brake. And beside from there is one girl who is like playing like reading books in the nature basically. I don't know what she is reading. If she's having a comic book, I think so. Basically, I don't know probably what she's reading, but yeah, she's quite focused about like reading because she's not like checking out like not seeing to other people's around her, right? And in the right side there is a lot of child who is playing with the rabbits, and there is one child as well who is like climbed the tree and just taking out the fruits of from the tree and trying to eat that. I think he's hungry, and he just left his uh, like volleyball, you can say, right? And just try to basically eat the fruit because he's like plates too much and that's why you just basically want to eat something immediate basis. And there is one basically lady who is feeding basically to the ducks, which is a great sign, which I think probably in this picture because she basically care about like birds and animal as well. And so yeah, this all picture is all about like enjoying every moment of your life, I think, basically, as far as I understand from this picture. And yeah, there is lot of situation where you will get feel like disoluted, and so you never you need to basically, I think, these pictures, the main motto of this picture is to basically enjoy every moment and give others like give some sort of things to others as well. So on this note, that is it. And basically I just want to do the English practice, and so that's why I've chosen this picture, right? So if you want to basically see a lot of like videos such as, So you can subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So in the upcoming days, I'll say a lot of multiple things regarding speaking, which you can implement in your life as well. So bye bye. Have a good day.